Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how can you make beautiful greeting cards at home. Let's get started. I am using a wedding card which is thick and a needle and threads. Drawing a line at 1.5 cm. Draw a circle in middle. Now use needle to make holes on circle. The hole should be of equal length. I am using two colors for this greeting card. You can use only one color or more than that. If you guys are using two or more colors, then take equal length of thread of each color. Insert the thread in any one of the hole. Now choosing the second hole is the important part. If you choose the hole nearer to the first hole you have taken, you will get lesser width, and as you take it away, the width will increase. You need to have patience to do this. If you try to finish quickly, the threads will become messy and take double time to finish. So, do it slowly and patiently. Now it's time to change the color. Firstly, put the thread of second color into the needle. Then take one end of it and tie it with knot as shown. When you change the color of the thread, you need to keep in mind that the joint should be behind the paper. If you guys not able to do this, you can use a tape to fix the problem. Our circle is ready. Now it's time of your choice. How do you want your greeting card should be? You can write your greeting inside the circle like this, and you can also fix a photo inside the circle and write your wish. Or you can also make designs inside the circle like this. Thank you for watching.